Excited about your new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7? In this video, we'll showcase a curated selection of cases and accessories that protect your phone while adding style and functionality. These pics are designed to elevate your Z Flip 7 experience. Let's dive in. First up is the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro, a top-rated protective case recognized as the champion in CNET's annual drop test for its outstanding drop resistance. Made from durable polycarbonate and shock-absorbing TPU, it provides excellent protection against impacts. It includes a built-in screen protector, a multi-angle kickstand that doubles as a ring holder, and a hinge cover for a secure grip. The case supports wireless charging and comes with a free rotating belt clip holster and a 1-year warranty for added reliability. Now here's another case. Mouve series offers sleek, lightweight protection with a matte finish, combining a durable PC backplate and TPU frame with air-soft corners and raised bezels to guard your screen and camera lens. Its open hinge design ensures full fold functionality, while the embedded magnetic module supports MagSafe, wireless charging, and magnetic accessories without bulk. The two-piece precision fit case snaps securely with adhesive for extra grip and meets military drop test standards for reliable impact resistance. Protect your Galaxy Z Flip 7's camera from scratches and dings with the BENKS camera lens protector. Designed to precisely cover each lens, it offers a premium, ultra-thin, and low-profile feel while providing seamless edge-to-edge protection. Made from the same durable glass as your phone screen, it guarantees scratch resistance rated 9 on the Mohs scale, second only to diamond. Installation is easy and removal leaves no residue, preserving your phone's original look and feel. Constructed from rigid polycarbonate and shock-absorbent TPU, this case features raised bezels to protect both the screen and camera lens from damage. Precise cutouts ensure easy access to all ports and functions, while a built-in screen protector safeguards the outer display. The hinge cover adds extra grip, and the case is compatible with MagSafe and most third-party wireless chargers. Choosing the right case is essential for personalizing and protecting your Galaxy Z Flip 7. The Flipsuit case is ideal for those who want to make a fashion statement, featuring interactive LED cards that let you match your phone's screen to your style, turning your device into a true expression of yourself. For those who prioritize simplicity and durability, the silicone case offers a sleek, 2mm thick design that provides robust protection against shocks and impacts, making it perfect for everyday use. If you want a blend of protection and vibrant color, the KindSuit case is a great choice. It comes with a soft inner lining and trendy colors, ensuring your Flip 7 stays stylish while being well protected, especially around the hinge. For users who prefer to showcase the original look of their phone, the clear case is the perfect option. At just 0.5mm thick, it offers quality protection while keeping your Z Flip 7 visible with a crystal-clear, bubble-free finish. Each case offers unique benefits tailored to different needs and lifestyles. Whether you want style, durability, or transparency, there's a case that will let your Galaxy Z Flip 7 reflect your personality perfectly. Let's move on to audio, and for Samsung devices, it doesn't get any better than the Galaxy Buds 3 and 3 Pro. Both deliver exceptional audio precision and performance, especially for Galaxy Z Flip 7 users. Redesigned for a seamless experience, they feature adaptive active noise cancellation to block out distractions and immerse you in rich, high-resolution sound from the dual amplifier and two-way speaker system. With Galaxy AI, enjoy live translations and accurate voice commands on the go. Their sleek design with blade lights combines comfort and style, while long battery life and 370 audio create a personal theater experience, making the Buds 3 Pro the ultimate audio companion. Charge 3 devices at once with this ultra-compact 100-watt fast charger, featuring 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port. Each USB-C port supports full 100-watt charging, enough to power a 14-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in 30 minutes, Its foldable prongs and sturdy drop-proof design ensure secure, portable use without loose connections. Protect your Galaxy Z Flip 7's front display effortlessly with the EZ Fit screen protector. The included tray ensures quick, precise installation. Just align, press, and you're done. Made from durable 9H tempered glass with an oleophobic coating, each pack includes 2 protectors and a cleaning kit. To wrap up, here is one of the lasted Samsung offerings, the Galaxy Watch 8, which features a slimmer, more comfortable design and a bright Super AMOLED display. Powered by the new Exynos W1000 chip, it offers advanced health tracking, including sleep, stress, and fitness insights, plus new AI features with Google Gemini integration. Available in multiple sizes and colors, it runs Wear OS 6 with One UI 8. Watch for a smooth, personalized experience. Meet the Geo Z Flip wireless charger, which eliminates the hassle of tangled wires and heavy chargers without sacrificing performance. Compatible with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, it delivers a smooth 15-watt super-fast charge in a compact, travel-friendly design ideal for home or office. Built-in protections guard against overcharge, overcurrent, and overvoltage for safe charging every time. Its protective tail plug minimizes damage exposure, and by avoiding thick or metal phone cases, you ensure the best charging experience. Just place your phone on the charger and enjoy hassle-free power. So, that concludes our list of 10 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 case and accessories. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.